can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trades above $64,000. Bitcoin has a market cap of about $1.28 trillion, and over the last 1 year Bitcoin has rallied up by more than 132%. In this video we'll take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Are we getting ready for that all-time high pump, or is the Bitcoin pump over and we're dumping into Goblin Town? Bitcoin dominance currently sits at 57%. In the coming days and the coming weeks, are we going to see Bitcoin ripping to higher prices? The bullish news going around the cryptocurrency market. We're taking a look at news stories going around the market, and what impact will the greed that we've seen in the market have on the price of Bitcoin in the coming days and coming weeks. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins. Bitcoin has 24-hour trading volume of over $20 billion. Currently trading around $64,000. Bitcoin is the king of the cryptocurrency market. And the last 1 week, the last 1 month has seen renewed optimism return back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is up 9.8% on a monthly time frame. September is known to be a very bearish month for Bitcoin, but guys, this September is turning out to be one of the best September in recent history for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up over 9% in the last 1 month. But if we zoom out on a weekly time frame, is Bitcoin still gearing up for new all-time highs, or is this just a final pump before that dump to Goblin Town? Is this the upthrust after distribution before we see the markdown phase? Because Bitcoin has gone from as low as $15,000 in November of 2022, even getting to as high as $72,000, rallying up by more than 365%. And right now, Bitcoin is just shy, some percentages shy of its all-time high. Bitcoin is basically less than 15% shy its all-time highs. Guys, I don't think Bitcoin is getting to new all-time highs. I've always stood on the belief over the last few months that Bitcoin will get to that $66,000 level, and we'll start seeing Bitcoin facing some difficulties at that key level. If you go to Bitcoin's price chart on a daily time frame, the $66,000 level is above Bitcoin's 200-day moving average. We saw Bitcoin having difficulties rallying above that 200-day moving average. Right now, we're trading above it. I won't be shocked if Bitcoin goes below it in the next few days. I don't think we're in the beginning of a rally, guys. I believe we're in the ending phases of a rally. Take a look at what Bitcoin has done over the last few months. The last few months has seen Bitcoin going sideways. That's not the future of a market you see pumping to the moon. It's either we're going through accumulation, that Bitcoin is getting ready to pump above $100,000, which is very possible, or Bitcoin is going through distribution, which will lead us to Goblin Town. And I tend to believe we're going through distribution. Even though we're seeing sentiment in the cryptocurrency market improve, it just feels as if that sentiment is improving too quickly. And history has shown us that when we see all coins pumping aggressively, when we see meme coins pumping aggressively, that has not always been the start. That has always been the end of the pump. Hopefully, Bitcoin can get to $70,000. But guys, you have to watch what Bitcoin is doing over the next few days, because the news is getting very bullish, and Bitcoin dominance looks to about to start falling. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance dumping and all coins taking off. This has always been a sign of the end. But let's look at some of those bullish news. Bitcoin price eyes 11% monthly gains as the XDY trend's major plunge. Bitcoin may clinch the best December in history if bulls can protect BTC price support into the monthly close. But September has always been known to be a bearish month for Bitcoin, but right now we are about to close more than 11% up in September. You know what that means, guys? October, that has always been known to be a very bullish month, might turn up to be very negative. It just makes logical sense. You always have a bearish September. We have bulls buy, then we have a bullish October. But right now, we're having a very bullish September. I wonder what October have in store for Bitcoin. But US election outcome will slow queue for Bitcoin rally, says hedge fund. Neither US party has attempted to adequately address the country's spiraling debt and deficit problems, which may play into Bitcoin hands post-election, says a hedge fund manager. Remember, guys, you are trading the market. You are not trading the news. You want to buy fear. You want to sell greed. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market, and you can see it in the headlines. Bitcoin has always been known to follow other markets. Liquidity is a very important factor for Bitcoin, and when there's any problem in the market, when there's any liquidity crunch, People sell what they can sell quickly, and Bitcoin is very, very liquid. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin trade below $10,000 in the next 1 year and not at $100,000, as most market participants are predicting. Bitcoin all-time high bull run unlikely if social sentiment runs too hot. That's what Santiment is saying. Santiment says there's nearly double the amount of bullish posts to bearish ones on social media. Bitcoin may not post new all-time highs anytime soon, as market sentiment is at its highest level for months, according to Sentiment. Market historically always moves in the opposite direction of the crowd expectation. And right now, as I told you guys, the crowd is expecting big pump to the upside, but Sentiment says we're very close to the top, or we have even hit the top. But there's 3 signs that Bitcoin is not ready to make new all-time highs: channel focus, stablecoins data, retail investors participation, and skeptical BTC derivative markets are all signs that Bitcoin price might not print new all-time highs. There's big bullish news in the market, there's big bearish news in the market. Historically, that has been a point where we'll see a turn in price action. I don't think that turn in price action will lead us to higher prices. I think the fact that the bulls and bears can't come to a consensus might lead us to lower prices. Investor skepticism could cloud Bitcoin recent rally. We're seeing plenty bullish news in the market. We're seeing plenty bullish posts on Twitter, but the price action is still below all-time highs. And guys, you have to ask yourself, why has Bitcoin trade 6 months below its previous all-time high without blasting above it and getting to new highs? It's because we have any market participants that are willing to sell at those price points. That's why we have not seen higher prices. And all seasons around the corner, with greed turning back to the cryptocurrency market, expect to see more altcoins pumping aggressively. With altcoins pumping aggressively, more traders will shun Bitcoin and they'll run to the altcoin market. Historically, that has been a very bad sign, and I don't think this time is different. Bitcoin monthly close, fresh bullish narrative leads BTC traders to aim for new highs. BTC monthly close could reverse a 6-month-long downtrend, and signal traders intend to push BTC price to new highs. Very possible BTC could go to new highs and also get hyper bearish, guys. We're not saying it's set in stone that BTC will dump to Goblin Town. I'm just saying that we're in a very crucial price point. We're in a very crucial level. As a matter of fact, we're in Bitcoin 7.0 true retracement. So the whole rally Bitcoin has had since 2022, after the dump I've had in 2024, if you do a retracement rally for that, Bitcoin has gotten to that retracement level, which sits around the $65,000 level. We saw Bitcoin hitting that level on Wednesday and getting rejected on Friday. That's the 27th of September 2024, and getting rejected there. Right now, we're seeing meme coins pumping. Right now, we're seeing altcoins pumping. Historically, that might lead to Bitcoin having a little rally, but I don't see Bitcoin making crazy moves to the upside. I think Bitcoin will have a pump, but that pump will be not what people expect. Because guys, one problem I've seen in the cryptocurrency market is that there's an over expectation of the rallies and there's an under expectation of how low we can go. So people overestimate how high we can pump and they underestimate how low we can go. You want to avoid that. You don't want to be among the traders that will be holding the bags when the market is dumping. One thing is sure, guys, a bear market is around the corner. One thing is sure, there's a little good time before the bad time comes. The crypto market has shown us over the years that before a huge dump comes, we have one glorious rally to send everybody to Valhalla, and then we'll start dumping to Goblin Town. So remember, you want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to be a smart investor. Your number one job here is to make some money. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you a Bitcoin bull? Are you a Bitcoin bear? How high do you think Bitcoin will end 2024? Do you think Q4 is very bullish for Bitcoin, or do you see Bitcoin dumping to Goblin Town? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.